Welcome to Infinite Meditation, where we go beyond meditation and explore the various powerful effects of frequency. One of our main things on this channel, if you're one of our subscribers, you know we do a lot of different experiments with cymatics. And today I've got something a little special. This is gallium. Right now it's a solid, but it's going to turn into a liquid metal when we introduce heat to it. It turns into a liquid at 86 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're going to throw it on the resonance speaker here. Put some of this in our petri dish and introduce various frequencies and see what happens. Alright, got our gallium here. I'm going to go ahead and introduce some hot water. Get this stuff melted. Remember, 86 degrees Fahrenheit is the point where it's going to turn this into a liquid. Alright, as you can see, this is turned into a liquid. So we're going to go ahead and drop it on the cymatics table and see what happens. Alright, let's see what happens. We're going to start with 136.1. One 174 hertz. Yeah, 222 hertz. Liquid metal. Sixty hertz. Hertz, 75 hertz.